we're not in focus touching, we're in sequence touching, right? Now from here, when we face the opponent over here, first you look. The moment you look, you have to save yourself from being hit. So, okay? See, this movement is also this. So, an attack coming on the face is warded off. The movement is warded off, we are striking. Okay, you are striking. So, once that strike has happened, catch hold of that. Manji-uke, looking there. Looking there. Your thighs, your calves, your quadriceps, your calves are all at work. Your soles are attached to the floor. You try to create a vacuum. Understand here. Now once you finish this, for example, if you finish this from here, you're pulling back. Your eyes on the target. Your eyes are not deviating from the target. Here. This is a symbol of calmness before the storm. And this is ready. Before the storm. Okay, and come on, look straight. Hand the out. Always. Hand yummy. Again you're looking. And then you calm the storm. Heian Kata. Heian Godan Kata. Some breathe in. Extreme breathing. 3, out. 4.